Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to my channel. There are some common terms that are always used in the warehouse management. So here I'm going to share with you the 10 common terms which are always used in the warehouse. First, SKU, which is the stock keeping unit. It is a unique identifier for each product that's stored in your warehouse. Number 2, FIFO, which is the first in, first out. It is a method of inventory management where the items to be received are also the first to be shipped out. Number 3, LIFO, last in, first out. It is a method of inventory management where the last items to be received are the first to be shipped out. FEFO, first expire, first out. It is a method of inventory where products with the shortest expiration date are shipped out first. Number 5, cross-stocking. It is a logistics strategy where incoming products are transferred directly to outbound vehicle without being stored in your warehouse. Number 6, picking. Picking is a process of locating and retrieving products from the warehouse for shipments. Number 7, packing. Packing is a process of preparing products for shipments by placing them in boxes or other container or carton. Number 8, shipping. Shipping is the process of transporting products from your warehouse to their final locations. Number 9, receiving. Receiving is the process of accepting and storing incoming products in the warehouse. And the final, number 10, is inventory management. We hear about people talking inventory management, right? So it's the process of tracking and managing the level of stock in your warehouse. So I hope this helps. And let me know if you have any other questions. That's all for my sharing in today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channels and turn on the notifications bell so that you can be notified when I upload a new video. Once again, my name is Vivienne. Have a great day and I see you in my next video.